Hello friends! This video showcases a waffle knitting pattern featuring 2 loops and 4 rows. We start with an English rib stitch on the first row, followed by a stockinette stitch in the next 3 rows. This pattern is exceptionally easy to knit, yet it creates a stunning effect. To begin, cast on an even number of stitches plus 2 edge loops. The first row is on the wrong side. Slip the edge loop first. Then, knit 1 loop from the bottom row. Purl 1. Repeat. Knit 1 loop from the bottom row and purl 1. Continue knitting this pattern until you reach the end of the row. Row 2, right side. Slip the edge loop first. Then, knit all stitches to the end of the row. Row 3, wrong side. Slip the edge loop first. Then, purl all stitches to the end of the row. Row 4, right side. Slip the edge loop first. Then, knit all stitches to the end of the row. I have introduced you to a unique knitting technique that produces a distinctive texture. This knit is suitable for creating clothing and accessories for all seasons, and it can be made using both thin and thick yarn. For example, you can knit summer tops with light cotton yarn or make winter scarves and shawls using mohair. As you plan your upcoming projects, I encourage you to consider trying this technique. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click on my Knit Not Space Shop icon to view my knitting creations. Whether you're looking for something unique for yourself or the perfect gift for a loved one, I have a variety of items that I'm sure you will love. Thank you very much for being part of my audience. I truly appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you again soon.